Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Roblox back. First, confirm your internet connection is stable and check the official Roblox server status page for any outages. Next, carefully re-enter your username and password, paying close attention to capitalization. Sometimes, a simple typo is the culprit. Make sure your device also meets the latest Roblox system requirements for optimal performance. If you cannot log in, navigate to the Forgot Password or Username link on the Roblox login page. You will then enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. An important tip is to always check your spam or junk mail folder, as the recovery email might end up there. Follow the instructions in that email carefully to regain access quickly. When other steps fail, contacting Roblox support directly is your next best option. Head over to the official Roblox support page and fill out their contact form with as much detail as possible. Be sure to include your Roblox username, a clear description of the problem, and any specific error codes. They will need an alternative email address to communicate with you effectively. Sometimes, technical glitches prevent access, not just forgotten credentials. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or switch to an entirely different web browser to rule out browser-specific problems. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling the Roblox Player application, as corrupted game files are a common cause. Briefly disabling your firewall or virtual private network might also help troubleshoot connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.